68th Independence Day of India. It's a day of rejoicing. 1.25 billion Indians. We are extremely happy. 1.25 crore Indians are very happy. And it's a great day for India, our country, countrymen in the country. We are very proud, we are very happy, and we are reminded always of the great benefits of freedom, of being able to do what we want and be able to guide our own destiny. You know, freedom is something that you cherish, that you enjoy, that you are blessed with, but it's also a challenge. And we are always reminded that people who fought for India's independence, our leaders and all of us, must use this opportunity to see what best we can do for ourselves, our people. We are a country which is milestone. We need to ensure that we use Indian occasions like this to remind us that we have a destiny, a place in the world, a good place for our people.
What did you think of the center here? Did you come here before?
It's my first visit to the center. I'm very pleased to be here. I'm very happy always to be in places where the community has put together. This is their effort, and I salute them and I congratulate them. We have a largish Indian community in Belgium. We have nearly 20,000 people who trace their origins in India. We have communities all over Belgium, people in business, people in the professional world, informatics, technology, banking, so many other sectors. We are very happy to see Indians doing well in your country, in Belgium, a beautiful country. You give them place, space for them to prosper, and for all of us to prosper jointly. So I'm very happy and grateful to you and to them. Well, the temperatures are a little down, but this is a great center. They have arrangement for Plan B.